bar, people sell bami, fish, everything is on the train.
Everything.
Yeah.
No factory never beat Catadupa yet.
No factory?
No?
What do you mean?
Diamond factory.
Never beat, what do you mean?
The train leave here at 11:30
Uh-huh.
and come back here. Supposed to come back at 3:30.
Uh-huh.
And anything we order, make before it come back. Anything what tourists order.
Hey guys, well, let's see here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm in Catadupa. Catadupa in St. James, a quaint community. Had a fantastic community tour earlier with some key community members. Mr. Yuan, Catadoc, Mr. Campbell, wonderful people. We looked at the old train station, we looked at the dam. You know, we talk about all things Catadupa. You're absolutely gonna love it. I'm gonna share that with you right now. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel though, I remind you, I do a lot of these videos capturing what I call the real Jamaica, the real people of Jamaica, the history, the heritage, you name it. I do a lot of that and I don't want you to miss any of it. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. So that way you stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's go. Mr. Yuan and Doc, Jenka people from the beautiful community of Catadupa in St. James. I am particularly interested in this community because of the historical significance. I mentioned to you off camera before. I understand this is the community that our national hero and the man who engineered, I'm going to use that word, engineered emancipation, was born. Right here, Catadupa. Tell me how significant is that for you guys here?
Well, you see, I was told at school days that he was born and killing some Montego Bay thing, but long after, it was a few years ago.
Yeah.
My son says one in Catadupa.
Catadupa.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is right over by Cradley Mountain over here, sir.
Yeah.
Over by Kitana place there.
Uh-huh.
If you notice on the market, so I'm drawing on it.
Yeah. The market?
Yeah.
I didn't see the market.
That's
Where's the market? This is the market?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
One sign they put up right here, so out on this side, so with this, some little things about him.
Yeah. So tell me about the the train. The train is coming back now, gentlemen. The train, ladies and gentlemen. Some of you I know are watching now. There's a big talk now that the train line. By the way, this was the hub of as I said, economic activity in this area. The train passed this area from Montego Bay into St. Elizabeth and Kingston.
Yeah.
Straight through, yeah.
Straight through. Right, but here was a major stop.
Yeah. For the
This
tourists.
is Catadupa.
This is where the governor's coach used to come.
The what?
Stop. Governor's coach, that's what it named.
The governor's coach.
Yeah.
Stop here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, because here had all the excitement and the selling and the food.
There were lots of houses on the side of here. Every railwayman used to come here.
Uh-huh.
They sleep here, they cook here, they drink here.
Yes.
That was a hub.
Yes. And this is the building, guys. This is just this here. This is the building.
Yeah.
We're right here, literally right here. That's the old train station. That's what you call it, right?
Original one.
Original train station. That's it. So in a few months, hopefully, this will be brand new. This will be renovated, and this will have a brand new look. What does it mean for the community to have the? What does it mean for the community, gentlemen, to have the station, this train back?
Well, me can tell you something. Might seem surprising too. If he a train blue right now,
Yeah.
everybody happy.
Everybody.
Everybody happy.
School empty right now. If he a train blue.
Everybody run out of school.
Right now.
Most youth don't know train.
Yeah.
No, most youth don't
Yeah.
know train.
Never seen it in action.
Never.
They only hear and hear stories about it in
a movie here, sir.
a movie. Man.
So 5 and 6 train used to pass here every day.
So do you guys have any plans for it? I mean, in preparation for that though?
When the train come
Yeah,
back,
for the coming back, for the return of.
more than planned. More than the community.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, one train leaves Mobe in the morning about 6:40. It pass here about 7:30. People of the community, when they have them fruits and them things, they come on the train side and walk and sell. So that is an input.
Yes.
After that train,
Yeah, money.
after that train gone,
Yeah.
a passenger train would come again
Yeah.
and take passenger up. Then the tourist train come. The tourist train doesn't go to Kingston. It goes sent a little bit and turn back.
I hear Appleton.
One of them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. So you have a couple trains. You say the first one is which one?
The first one is the morning train.
Morning.
Yeah. And what that car?
Passenger.
Passenger.
Okay.
Just
To Kingston?
passenger
Yep.
To Kingston.
Uh-huh.
And
Okay.
then you have
That-
the freight train.
That known as number 22.
Yeah. You have the numbers too.
I right here.
Oh, you used to work on it too?
Right here. So my office.
Oh, so you were working inside the building here. So who were you there?
Porter.
Porter. Okay.
The road traffic.
The traffic.
Train.
Man, I'm excited to see that. I want to see that too. Okay, so the first one is number 22, which is a passenger train.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
From Montego Bay.
Yeah.
The one go to Montego Bay in the morning was the school train.
Yeah. Goes to Mobile.
Yeah.
It leaves here now.
Okay.
It
Every
leave.
morning 6 o'clock,
Uh-huh.
a train leaves to go to Mobile.
Okay.
You're a student.
Yes.
That's
Okay.
it. That's them call it the manners train.
Okay.
Yeah. That was number 41
Yeah.
to Montego Bay.
Yeah.
That go down there and renew as a tourist service
Coming
in
back.
the day. Come back up here.
Okay.
Depends on the season.
Okay. Okay.
During that time, you have the tourist train coming, supposed to come at 10:30. And stay here until 11:15, 11:30 to go to Upton.
Okay.
Then yeah,
So the
sometime,
tourists would walk, they
depending
come
on the season, you have a next train come here, next tourist train. What go to Clarendon Park.
Clarendon Park.
Yeah.
Okay.
You stop here,
Uh-huh.
straight to Clarendon Park. You have one come here, stop here, and go to Hilton Holiday Tour.
So where?
Hilton Holiday Tour, St. Leonard's.
Okay. In the same.
Seaford
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 Town.
Yeah.
Same St. James.
So,
No, Westmoreland.
Oh, Westmoreland. Okay.
Westmoreland.
Okay.
so what happened during the time, I will encounter with 3 train for the day, tourist train for the day,
Okay.
3.
Yes.
Automatically 6 and because you have add number come out, even number go in.
Yes.
So anything come in number go in,
Come out, yeah.
number change.
Yes.
So you know which train encounter with.
Yes.
And then the midday train come now.
Yes.
Depends on the season again.
Yes.
Holiday time you have maybe 10, 12 coach, 2 locomotive. Montego Bay.
Long from here to about by that yellow.
By that come back, I forget run the system again for you. Accommodate the rest of train passenger, diverge and move around with them. Yeah. In those days now, but taxi and the bus never sit there. But yeah, few people here who have car or there or something, move them, go to wherever they're going. People
But the train was the hub of.
Yeah.
Yes.
The train was the main transportation.
Yes.
All right.
And anything you want aground,
Yeah.
the pan train.
Meaning
Anything.
food, clothes.
Anything.
When you go on the train, you don't.
Anything.
If you want to urinate, you don't have to come out.
Uh-huh.
It has toilet,
Yeah.
bathroom
Yeah.
on the train.
Yes.
Bar pan
People
coach.
bar, people sell bami, fish.
Yeah.
Everything is on the train.
Everything.
Yeah.
So the community can't wait to get back a train.
No.
Well, by the time people, guys, some of you watching now, well, by the time you see it, chances are we will have a new. When did it stop? When did it stop though? I heard it was in
92.
1992.
1992.
Yeah.
So it should be back. Tell me a little about this building here now. So this is a train station for those who are brand new, especially younger kids.
That was
what-
the freight room where they come and ship the goods and then put it inside here. So when the passenger train come, they put it out at the passenger. No, not the passenger train, the freight train.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Because the passenger train doesn't carry the goods.
Uh-huh. So the goods store in that section here.
That's it.
Anything you ship from anywhere.
Anyway,
Anything in a cargo.
if I want trailer,
Yeah. You put it
Then come over here.
then put it there, so.
yeah,
If you have a store line over there, so.
Okay.
yeah, a line is behind there.
Okay.
When a train come here with, say, right, draw feeding,
Yeah, right.
you take truck about a week to offload the wagon.
So they park the freight.
Oh, so,
over
so,
here.
so they go on a
park-
different section.
run the back here.
All right. So we can do a quick little walk through.
This is the main side.
the main
That is the main.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So anything on this, we in this deal
Keep moving.
every day. Yeah.
Keep
So,
moving.
But that a 3 or
This
4
is
times a
the,
week.
the
we do.
freight train.
Okay. All right. So can we do a little walk and you show me a little more? So this now, guys, for those who watching, is it? We're gonna do a little tour of the old train station, especially for the younger kids to get an appreciation of what happened at the train station, the different segments of it and so forth. It's a good little learning. So let's go.
We can't go inside now, do we?
No man, that's fine. We just can walk around.
this is used to be the ticket room.
Huh?
Where the station master sell the ticket.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So that's the ticket room.
Yeah. And this is used to be the waiting room.
This is the waiting room.
Yeah,
so
so
the ticket. This is the ticking room. You buy your ticket in this like a window area.
You buy ticket round here.
You buy your ticket here.
Okay.
From this side.
From this side. A little wall was there where
Uh-huh.
the window too.
Uh-huh.
And you have some seat in here. So
So here was seat.
seat and
All right.
seat
So
here
this is a nice little shop, Miss. What's your name again, Miss? Miss Salky. Miss Salky has converted here into a nice little clean, little well organized shop, guys. You can see, yeah. But this is what used to be the ticket area.
Yeah.
All right. And
Yes, that was the first class bathroom.
the bathroom,
First class bathroom.
first class bathroom. Hold on a
We
second,
have
man.
two sections
Hold
on the
hold
train, you know.
So you have special bathroom for special people.
Two sections on the train.
Uh-huh.
You have a first class and a second. You can buy first class ticket or second class.
Ah.
Economic and one is for
So just like
So if
the,
you use the first class, they will give you that toilet. But
Oh,
if you get
okay.
the second class, you go and
so just like the plane.
Yes.
All right, good. All right, guys. So
this
we're
is
walking
your
around the
line.
train station here.
The truck was
the
here.
truck was here.
Some really take up.
Some of the rails are up. So this area here is a little overgrown here, but this was where the truck.
Yeah.
For the-
one of the truck.
One of the
When-
truck.
When they carry feeding and
The
other
freight.
things. Yeah, the freight.
Oh.
This side was 15 wagon.
What do you mean? When it's a 15 wagon, what do you mean?
This
The
length.
each wagon carried 37 ton.
Yeah.
So what is that? Okay, so that's information for me now. So a train, you're saying have different wagons.
Wagons.
Number wagon.
Wagons carry freight or merchandise. The coaches, what
Carry people.
what people call the car.
Uh-huh.
Some people call the car. They carry passenger.
Oh, so it's the same train. It just have one name wagon and one name.
You have passenger train
Uh-huh.
and you have freight train.
Oh, so passenger train.
But people travel
freight
on
train,
the freight train.
and
too.
the wagon train.
The freight train they carry one coach on it. See people who have things on it who not take no chance.
Yeah.
They travel with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let me go again. So guys, we're having an education session here from these wonderful gentlemen. This is Mr. Yuan and this is Doc, seasoned historian, gentlemen in the community who know this stuff, who have been here and can speak confidently about the train situation here in Catadupa. A real pioneer, a community with lots of history. So they're giving us a little a background of what things was like here back in the days. So you said the train, you have the passenger train, gentlemen, and you have the freight train.
Yes.
The wagon is what? You say is what? Is that
wagon
same
is-
train?
Yes.
Yeah. But what? What's
But
the difference?
it make out of some lumbers and thing and
Oh.
some zinc roof and
Okay.
but those carry
It's enclosed.
cargo.
Okay.
And you have flatbed.
And you have the flatbed
But
train
carry
that
everything.
carry cars.
Oh, that's what you mean.
We used to carry prisoner,
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
cars,
Yeah.
anything, any
When
equipment, any
prisoner
equipment.
going to Parlistown, this train they used to drive on.
Tractors,
Uh-huh.
horses to came
Yeah.
and spark.
Uh-huh.
Used to carry
Train.
bull sperm to Montpellier and blood for some
Yeah, man, everything
Hospital.
on train.
Westmoreland blood.
Yeah.
When it's a blood, you mean?
Blood.
Blood for blood bank.
Oh,
Yeah.
Everything used to be on
Everything
the train.
passed through.
Sperms from the bull them.
yes.
Come on Montpellier and take off in some big white container. Some shine pan.
Uh-huh.
Like a fridge.
Yeah.
Used to carry all these things.
Everything passed through here.
Everything.
Yeah.
Everything
And
passed
the
through.
train, they used to fix the train here too, because there was a blacksmith shop up there.
Uh-huh.
You have to work on some minor part.
Minor
Yeah.
parts. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So and you have the trolley. That's the trolley, the work trolley.
Uh-huh.
Used to park here too.
Uh-huh.
The superintendent used to live over
This
there.
house-
Well, this is
This
amazing,
house
guys. I want to hear from you. Let me hear if you're learning anything from these gentlemen. It's amazing.
6th century Kirk office
Yeah. That
officer.
Uh-huh.
was
Who's
a
live
house,
here,
it's
sir?
burned down.
Pay clerk.
Yeah.
The person who work at the PWS office.
Uh-huh.
Used to live right here.
So these people. Oh, so these are okay. So they work with the train with the same
Yeah.
train
Same
line.
railway.
Same
Railway
road.
company.
That's railway line.
Okay.
Complete railway place.
Okay.
Right through.
All right. So this is behind here. All right. Good. So this is the building again. The train station, guys.
Around here.
And this was the freight area. Or the back here, there used to be lines here. There's no lines here anymore. But this is the area that it was. The banana trees and stuff here.
Planting.
Planting. Okay, good.
And that is where they used to take the water from that thing out there.
Uh-huh.
Supply water to
Supply the water to the train.
So what you mean? So this
They used to have a ram pump down the river
Uh-huh.
that pump the water to it, and this thing can turn around. can go around there and
This
the train.
the tank was there. See the tank? Look here.
That is a concrete tank. But iron
45.
tank is a...
Oh,
Water come here. So
from that tank up the hill.
yeah.
Run through that pipe.
When the train
Come through here.
this is fuel train here for the bathroom purposes. So when the train come, you open this and turn this around and put it over there on something called tender. That's the water tank. I full the tank to we go to Magati.
Oh, okay.
And Balaclava.
So this water, the source of the water is from here too.
Yes.
Can you have a dam here?
Yes.
So the water would
On the Atkinson land.
Same property down here.
same property. So the water in that tank come from down the dam.
Yeah.
So the water come in here from the dam and then come into this thing here.
Not this tank no.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Come into this thing and they use this now to fill other
tanks.
containers, and then it travel to other
Because
places.
there's a few relay stations do have any water.
So you send water from here.
Yeah.
Wow, amazing stuff.
And service the train with water for the bathrooms and the engine from here.
From here.
Yeah.
So this place is an amazing place. Yeah. All right. So these, I can see these are some of the tracks here. A train typically use two of these, right? Two tracks. Two tracks. Right. So this is
That's why you have a switch there, because the trolley use our part there. The word trolley. If you come out here, you can... This is right where those banana tree is. A building was there what can host the trolley. The trolley big like about the van. So this line can spin. So they usually, after that, this can come around and it come here, so and the trolley drive on it and go across. And if they want to turn the trolley, then put it on it and turn it.
Much up in a Gilbert.
Yeah. So what's the purpose of the trolley you said? To do what?
It's
Word
it's
trolley,
work
the word
trolley.
trolley.
To do what?
The
A
line.
small machine.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
That they drive in a.
Oh, to run
Means
up and
if
jump
the
to
train
fix.
derail,
Yeah.
you can take that, anything can happen.
I use it to move it much to fix stuff.
To fix it.
So it's like a what do you call it? Like you have them on the highway, these are maintenance.
Yes,
kinda.
it's a maintenance trolley.
Okay, good.
You
Okay.
park right there.
And this thing here, this circuit thing here, you put it on.
Turntable.
Turntable.
You turn it around.
Yes.
That means that if you turn down and you want to go up, so you just put drive it here and turn it at it.
Awesome.
Turn up.
Awesome.
Is it?
But you have something like this. For the train itself, the engine,
Yes.
But it's long.
but we have in Catadupa. Yeah.
What is this? I noticed something on the tree here. What is that?
You know, it's a squeezer invented.
For
That
what?
cane squeezer.
Cane squeezer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Up to yesterday we make some tools.
All right. Nice.
You do it.
Okay.
Cane.
So we put the kid.
Here.
Right inside.
Oh, and press it down.
Squeeze. Yeah.
Okay.
And catch it there.
All right. Let me. So this is the train station from another angle, guys.
From another angle.
Yeah, this is the. You can see the tracks. The tracks they call it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the tracks here. There's a almond tree kind of hiding the station there, but that is what it typically looks like. What is that gentleman is holding there?
Where?
That's the switch.
That's a point blade switch. That's
What-
why that's
If the train is
that's the way
coming
you
on
use
that
to
line,
move the
and
track.
you want to move it.
Oh,
You see the end of the two rail,
uh-huh.
it can shut on that side and open on that side.
Oh.
So if the train coming from up, so you want to come on this line,
Yeah.
you shut it.
Okay.
And it,
The switch.
yeah.
So in the future it will have it work the same way again?
Yeah, it
can work.
It can work.
Oh, I see where it connect. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
Still working.
Okay. That's
But
what it,
only the guardsmen need to have a key for it, you know.
okay.
The people who work on train,
Yeah.
you can't let it make man come to it. So
No, you
it's
can
like,
have
yeah.
problem.
So it used to
Man
be
can
locked.
derail it.
It used to be locked.
Okay.
So
Okay.
when the guard come and you want to train to go, so you just turn it.
Yes.
And
Yes.
the line come this part.
Yeah.
So if the train is coming from, so the shut is and it gone. So
Yes. Okay.
okay.
Okay. Okay.
But if it might come from up, so now
And you see?
it will go straight.
Yes.
You see here, sir?
Uh-huh.
You should put a lamp on it
A lamp.
tonight.
Oh, a lamp at the top here.
Signal lamp. Signal lamp.
Okay.
So any train, any you enter the yard. If you see the green on, turn to him.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
But if you change,
Yeah.
if you stop.
Like a stoplight.
Yeah.
They used to be right here.
Yeah.
Right here. Guys, I want to hear from you. What do you think about this history lesson from these gentlemen? This is Mr. Yuan again. I want to big him up, and Mr. Duck. These men have a lot of knowledge, man, about the place here.
Still at railway. Man.
Yeah?
I'm still at railway.
Railway.
I'm still working here.
You still working here?
Yeah.
What do you mean? So, but how that work though? Because
I'm at work right now.
wait, in a lockdown?
Really? Really,
I'm not really complete lockdown.
So how that work?
Them collect rent for those, you know. And
So but the Jamaica Railway Corporation is no more, right?
Nah.
So who?
Really the only
So who you work
company,
with?
Jamaica Railway Corporation I work with.
Oh, so they're still in operation?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
The only company.
they don't run train down here, no,
But
but
have
still.
train and access to rails and things and engines and
Yeah.
the backside company cannot buy what they want in that
Oh,
railway.
oh, that's good.
Yeah.
So you still have something going then?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so
I'm at work right now.
oh, awesome, awesome. Well, I'm glad to be able to capture, to be able to talk to you guys. Let's talk about the
Market.
market. The market a little more.
Is that building over there, sir?
Which one?
That big building over there without the roof.
Yeah, that one behind the car, directly behind the car.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes.
That was the PWS office section 3. Well,
P-
all bills.
All bill.
They make up all bills.
Uh-huh.
3 person working there.
Uh-huh. All bills in terms of
From Montego Bay to Greenville.
Yeah.
when they say bills, they mean payroll.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pay
Task
to pay
work.
people.
Task workers.
Oh.
Whatever.
So, okay, good. So this is where everybody get paid from. From
No,
Mobay,
to Greenville.
Greenville.
Yeah.
Awesome. So this now was the
Food market.
the food market for Catadupa.
Beef market.
Food and beef market. So it's not meat market, it's beef market.
Beef.
Coke Street.
Coke.
Okay. Oh, so it was a cow business then, man.
Yeah.
All right.
Food
So,
market.
so this now, as you had mentioned earlier, is not. I mean, it got not in operation. Well, the food market closed down.
Yeah.
But you convert it into
So
a
the train stop.
since the free train
In a
stop
shop in a Gilbert.
in Gilbert.
Yes.
So you convert it now into a
Community.
community center.
Yes.
All
And,
right.
And-
class. And
Okay.
Yeah.
whatever is there.
All right, we're going in, guys. We're going in. You take a look. Uh-huh.
The school community keeps some classes here.
Okay.
So it's my class.
Okay. Your class.
Yes.
Oh, you have a classroom?
It's my class for the people who couldn't go to school through COVID.
Oh, nice.
So you get a Wi-Fi, so you have to have them in here.
So you started that?
Monitor them.
Call this up.
Oh, well, awesome, man.
Monitor them.
Big up again, Mr. Yuan, for engineering that, man. I noticed I have some of the heroes on here. Serve one another in love. So this is where.
Right, yes, I know. You see?
The beef.
Oh,
Yeah.
the beef.
Uh-huh.
Our beef.
Uh-huh.
These are
Okay.
the blocks that they use to cut the beef.
Tables.
on. Table.
Uh-huh. Okay.
This is my tourist style here, what they use.
So-
This carry beads and something, them a carry cloth and some bamboo go across with them.
Ah.
Right along the
Them
way
are
from
standby.
that end to that end, you know.
Yeah.
They're still at
Two
standby.
sides.
So these are the stuff you'd hang this?
Yeah.
You'd
Yes.
hang the
Yes.
wares on.
You-
Clothes and beads.
You would put one at that side one and you put up a bamboo
Uh-huh.
and then you hang on the bamboo.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the good thing about it,
Yeah.
no factory never beat Catadupa yet.
No factory?
No?
What do you mean?
Diamond factory.
No.
Never beat what you mean?
The train leave here
Yeah.
at 11:30
Uh-huh.
and come back here. Supposed to come back at 3:30.
Uh-huh.
And anything we order,
Yeah.
make
Yeah.
before it
Pants,
come.
shirt, hat,
Anything what tourists order.
Oh yeah, as you were saying, you get your measurement here.
Yes.
When they go into Appleton,
Yes.
and then by the time they come back, you're ready.
Everything make.
Yeah. Wow.
And it might have an extra order, but then give you a number for your hotel room or
Yeah.
they deliver
Take
it.
it.
And you take it down
And
there.
people who want to come back, then come back with rent a car or one next train.
Wow. Wow. So this is amazing stuff. So this again, guys, was the beef. Beef mart. Beef. We call it
Beef mart.
Style, like
Beef style. Yeah. You just cut the beef here. So it's just beef. No goat. No.
Yeah, but
No,
sell
no
goat, but
pig.
in a regular.
Okay.
So it's the pastor garden now and the CDC
Yeah.
help renovate back the building.
Okay.
They
So,
change the top
Uh-huh.
and put in those
Lovely.
decoration blocks. And
lovely.
now we
Lovely.
help keep the
Lovely,
building.
lovely. Guys, give me a thumbs up. Give these gentlemen a thumbs up for me for what the work that they're doing here in this wonderful community here to restore and renovate all this wonderful building.
Alright. I'm going downstairs now.
Oh, you have a downstairs?
Yes.
All right.
You see downstairs was pure dirt. The only thing that was downstairs I'm going to show you.
Oh, you have a downstairs?
Yeah.
All right, going down, guys. Going down.
So two of them, you see all the walls, first the garden put in all the walls. Down here was pure column, so you could walk from any section.
And they come in.
This building was down here, a tile. So when you come a tile,
Yeah.
after them close, them shut the shop door.
Yeah.
So you could walk on a time, but you can't go in the market.
Understand.
So Pastor renovate with the CDC.
Yes.
Right?
But the CDC is doing some good work here.
Yes.
Okay, alright. So we're in a new area under the ground section, guys.
And look at this, I recycle things.
So this is your work now. This is Mr. We call it Doc. Catadupa.
Yeah.
Alright, so hold on, Catadupa. Alright, so this gentle people is Catadupa's recycle enterprise.
The only thing I don't try to build is man. I try to build everything.
Everything, alright. So
plastic.
hold on. This is interesting. Alright, so first of all, I see you have some people here. I see you saying Bolt, Lawrence Silvera, Barack Obama, Horace Burrell, I know some of them. Alright, some articles here. These articles feature the community, I guess, right? Alright, this was that's a star article. And then the stuff that you have here. Yep. So tell me about some of the stuff you have here.
Alright, okay. I try to recycle everything. I use, let me show you something.
What is
this car? It's engine oil bottle. It's made from engine oil bottle. Yeah.
Oh man.
Engine oil. And it has a chunk. It has a bonnet. And look, you see this elastic on the bottom?
Yeah.
If you draw it backward.
It's making.
Yeah. So this is what they hold it up again.
Yeah, that's what makes it. All plastic backward.
So this is what they used to make it. These kind of buckle.
Yeah.
Wow.
The yellow one, the green one, the red one, all of these.
Wow, you are amazing, man. So this is what you make all this stuff here?
Yeah.
Look at
Make
this.
chokes from it. I make chokes from it.
Wow, this gentleman is amazing, man. Awesome stuff. Catadupa.
Yeah.
Awesome stuff. Alright guys, and guess what? You know, we can't do a Catadupa tour without Mr. Atkinson. Yes, we're back at his house. This is a real Jamaican chocolate. You remember it? The video is in the description. Share it with me as well. She enjoying chocolate for the very first time. Mr. Atkins today, you have some more stuff. You have some more stuff for us, huh?
Yeah, man, I have some rock cake.
Rock cake
from Rock Farm.
Rock cake from Rock Farm. Catadupa style.
Yeah,
Enjoying it. Alright, good. So we're going to the dam. Mr. What's your name? Mr. Calvin. Mr. Campbell is taking us to the dam, guys. For a show us another feature, another attraction in the community. And while we walk, there's a water truck that's going there ahead of us to get water. Okay, so that's one of the pumps. Okay. Pump the water from here up to the tank.
Yes, stop the water from this reservoir, but we gotta go around there and go to the reservoir.
Okay. So what we're looking at here now, okay, so that's the dam.
Yes.
That's the dam. Let me give you a better look.
When you go down there now, you got that big.
A better sighting.
Yeah.
Okay. You have some ram goat. You're preparing for Christmas, man.
Yeah,
Huh? A Christmas?
Not before, right to the air and continue raising goat and.
Oh, nice like a rammy, man.
Yes, that is a good one.
So this is the Catadupa Dam.
Right.
That's the name of it, right?
Yes.
And this supply the community. There goes the truck there.
Yes.
That's the truck.
This will supply the community.
This.
And you have a minor water supply that the parish going to take care of.
Okay.
Yes. All right. First, this was the talent that road carrying the water right along. I did have some trees. Even in the winter, you come down here. You see ice farm up on the trees then in the early morning.
Ice?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
So the place was that cold?
Yes, when it's cold. And this is the catchment. Inside here where the water and that's where they suck. Original.
So this is where the water come from?
Yes, come through the hills.
Come through the hills and come out. So it's like a spring here,
yes.
Underground spring.
Yes. This big pipe here now, it was the first pump then when you did have a ram pump down here. That for pram and suck the water and full
the tank that the railway always use.
Okay.
Yes, and intake. And that little piece of concrete there was a little house there with 3 ramp pump. But the ramp pump them do not carry more than 30 pounds, and anytime more than 30 pounds come on it. It busts the cylinder then.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So good. So this is the water here running
Yes, it continues running right through
through the year.
Yes, right through the year.
24 hours.
24 hours,
7 days a week.
7 days a week. And sometimes when you come down here, when in the good rain season, water fishing all over
the place.
Yes, all in there. You don't have to come down, you have to get some water. You can be in the little challenge.
Okay, go over some more then with me. So this is the dam, guys, the Catadupa Dam, one of the features of the community here.
Yes.
Has its own water system. The water running underground here. It's a river, a spring.
Yes, it's coming from out
underground.
Yes, and water coming out under this place.
And it supplies several communities.
Yes.
I heard earlier. We did that.
Yes,
man. Yes.
This line now, you have a line now that go over to the villa of Mr. Anna, that's where you call Crying in the Mountain.
Yes.
That is his supply.
So the Crying in the Mountain people, they create a line now to go straight from here to their place.
And that line support Richmond Hill people. All the citizens down in Richmond Hill get water from that line.
So all of those places get water from here?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Yes, man. What a blessing, man. Water, Jamaica, land of food and water, guys. Land of food and water. And there's a truck here over there refilling or filling up. And the truck now will take it to where now?
Different like in Westmoreland.
Westmoreland, other communities?
Yes, other communities.
Okay. Good. So that's the dam?
Yes.
The Catadupa Dam. All right, man. Mr. Campbell, you say?
Yes.
All right, careful. And of course, this is Catadupa, so you know it's a very lush green place, and of course the water is nearby, so you know you expect that bananas, cocoa, sea almond, mango over there, June plum tree, more banana, a lot of herbs and bushes, the Spanish needle. You know the whole. There's guaco here. Guaco. It's drizzling. Drizzling, dandelion. Yeah, fever grass. The same like a ram goat again. But very lush.
Yes, and this is the black one, the red banana that they call tiny banana.
Oh, that's a red banana.
Yes, that's the red.
Mr. Campbell has brought us to his little place here, guys. He has a tamarind tree. Who remember tamarind? Well, guess what? Mr. Campbell has a tamarind tree. This is the tamarind tree. This is tamarind. Tamarind. Remember it? Yum. Tamarind, guys, tamarind. Oh, is it right? Tamarind, guys.
When you set the tree like this, you hear them rocker, you know say tamarind start ripe.
Okay.
When time them that.
What is that? This is loaded, man.
Yes, man. They do see them.
Your tree?
See them great. Yeah, man.
Whoa. So you sell it. I hope you sell it and make some money.
Is it
break it.
No, this green. This one green. So this is one of the green ones. See it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Pull a ripe one and show me visitor. So, Mr. Campbell, I'll show you some ripe tamarind. You have a tamarind tree here. Lord, man.
All right. This is a ripe one.
Good. This one.
Yeah.
Yum. That's nice.
All right. These are couple root of corn. Natural, they don't plant no fertilizer.
Oh, natural.
But yes.
Yeah,
that's why I see them down bigger.
Yeah.
See a gungo tree.
Gungo tree. Season finish though.
This is in one of the calic mint.
Yeah, calic mint, yes.
And this is a young paptor plant.
Yes. You do your little thing, man.
Yeah.
You have a little pepper here, so.
Yeah.
And of course, I say gungo as well.
these trees.
You're doing good.
And this is a nata tree.
Not, oh, you remember Nata, guys? There's a
Yeah,
video
man,
about
me have some dry nata too.
Yeah, we have a video on Nata, you know. Guys, there's a video on Nata in the description. Check it out, check it out. This is a Nata. Make sure you check it out in the description. This tamarind tree is loaded. You sell it in the market?
Wait, you know, say just start right.
It's a Nata.
I just, me, I will just
Oh
pick it
man,
and-
these are beautiful. Hold on, let me take a picture, man. Oh, these are pretty, man. This is
The original nata that you use for coloring.
yeah, man. This is nice. This is nice, man. Nice. Tell me now a little bit wider now. What else? So the community here is obviously rich in history, and the rail is a huge part of it, right? From way back, as far as you guys probably know, the rail was here until 1992. You said, right?
It really from 1845.
Yeah.
1845.
Yeah.
But so you born come see it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
The father one can see it.
So it's a significant part of this
Significant.
part of
very,
this
Very
community.
significant.
Yes.
Community, but what else? Is there anything else in the community that you stand out of interest that if somebody passing through,
Okay.
they think they need to see or hear about or know about?
You see, the tourist train, they used to have a walkthrough the village. All right. They used to come off the train after they shopping. A tour guide would take them down the road and go round the bend. And then build a step round there that the train leave from here and go round at the step and then the tourists come back on.
Yeah, but what would they see?
The
What
church,
else?
It was plantation tour.
plantation.
Oh, okay.
Church of England. It's
Anglican
round
church.
the Anglican church, round there and certain.
And we have bananas and fruit tree and
Okay. So they get a country experience,
Yeah.
plantation experience.
And to-
There's a dam I heard further around.
dam.
So okay, the dam there.
That's when that's name is
That's where we get water.
Okay, all right. So guys, there's a dam here, and then right now there's a Mr. Atkinson family. There's a farm there that he does chocolate,
Yes.
right? I have a feature on him. There's a link in the description below as well. So the chocolate man, the dam, the railway, the historic buildings,
Yeah.
the church,
And,
Church
one
of
more
England is
thing.
still there.
Yes.
One more thing.
Uh-huh.
The time when Sam Sharpe started the rebellion. You see on that road up there, so when bird track, that's where we trod through to go to Kensington.
to Moko.
All right. So
Yeah,
all right.
So we have a benevolent society here now. We was trying to refurbish the trail.
yeah, the
But-
trail. Okay.
Need cash.
The money need cash. Need
Yeah.
cash. Need cash. All right. Well, you guys are getting a good feature. So people are watching right now. Guys, if any of you want to reach out to the community or to these gentlemen, there are links in the description. There are Citizen Association and Benevolent Society.
Yeah, CDC.
The CDC, there's a link in the description as well. But these gentlemen contact information is there as well if you want to learn more about the community or if you want to assist the community in any way. Rich community, strong heritage, a community definitely that showcase what we call the real Jamaica. So this here you said though was Sam Sharpe. This is where Sam Sharpe
Trail.
walked
Up
from
into the hill to go to Kensington.
to go to Kensington to start the fire.
Start.
All right. So for
So
those of you,
each year before COVID, we would start here with a torch run, goes to Moby and then goes to Kensington.
Go to- so you go to Mobi and then come up to go.
Every
Or something like that.
yeah, December, you know them time.
Yeah. December.
But
So-
COVID stop it.
Understand? But COVID is no more. By the time people watch it, this is no more COVID. We declare that. But hear the thing too. For the benefit of those, especially the youngsters who don't understand the history, Sam Sharpe was born in this community,
Yes.
right? Mr. Yuan said the community was actually two parts. It was you said the Craig.
The right side heading from Cambridge, it's Croydon, and the left side is Lapron property.
Properties.
Yeah.
Two major
Property.
properties.
Yes.
Buckmaster property.
Two Buckmaster properties.
The slave everything.
Yes, from way back.
Yeah.
But all of that should change, you know. But Sam Sharpe was on one of these,
Yeah.
somewhere
Yeah,
here.
Croydon.
Croydon.
On that plantation.
Sam Sharpe is from the Croydon
Croydon
plantation.
plantation.
And this is where his mother, his family came from and so forth. But he engineered
Yes.
what become independent
Jamaica.
actually not just Jamaica, it's actually free
Free world for
free people,
free people.
right? Because it's not just Jamaica that the independent, I mean it had impact all over the world. So Sam Sharpe engineered it from here.
Yeah.
This community is the cradle. I'm going to use that
The
word.
home of Sam Sharpe.
The home of Sam Sharpe, which in turn means the beginning of emancipation. Because this is where he was schooled, nurtured, right? And he took it to Kensington and that's where the rebellion started. From Kensington down to Montego, the rest of St. James.
And then end up in a compound town
And everywhere else and everything. And
Almost.
then the whole Jamaica,
Yeah.
Caribbean, world.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is Catadupa. I want to big up Charlotte, guys. This is Charlotte. You heard her in the video with Mr. Atkinson. She was the lady in the background, a community member, love our community. We are always willing to showcase our community. She always assists me here. I want to big her up. Up Charmaine. Send her up for Charmaine. Not Charmaine, Charlotte. All right, that's Charlotte. So, yeah, Mr. Ewan was telling about the train ticket. What do you say about the ticket again?
Ask you, have you ever seen one?
Never seen one. You have one to show me?
The last, yeah, I can show you one.
Yes, man.
I can't get it.
No. I would love to have it, but I know how close that is to you. All right. Good. This is a goat. This is a little goat here. Has nothing to do with the history, but he's a part of it. He's a part of it. All right. So, gentlemen, this is Mr. All right. So this is Mr. Gordon, guys. Mr. Gordon.
Yes,
Mr. Gordon, how you doing, man?
I'm doing good.
But this Mr. Gordon has been instrumental in getting me here. He's former president of the CDC, Mr. Gordon.
Yeah, still president of the CDC.
Still president of the CDC here, a community organization who helped to showcase and develop the community. Heard he has a hand in the community center there as well.
Yes, we partner with some overseas group and the community in getting it going, to serve the community.
Okay.
Definitely.
Is there anything you want to? I mean, we have done a lot, Mr. Gordon. These gentlemen have been awesome. Mr. Ewan and Doc. Catadupa, they call him.
Doc.
He's an exceptional man, him in particular, because he's doing some wonderful work with the
recycling, right?
Yes. So they showed us the train station and so on, and talk about the history.
Right.
Is there anything? I don't know if there's anything you want to add to while we showcase this wonderful community.
Well, basically, it's a friendly community, and as you have seen, so many things have been happening. We work together. The CDC has helped to develop a lot of projects here, and reaching out to the youths, reaching out to the elderly, and just make it happen for the youths.
Wonderful.
And we have a water project going that we seek to serve the community. So many things have been happening.
So more to come, I'm sure.
And definitely more to come. We are looking forward to the railway to start to run through.
Yes. Everybody talking about that now.
Yes, looking forward to that.
Yeah.
That will bring a lot of economical development,
life
and social, stuff. So we're looking forward to it.
All right. I know people guys here watching from all over, and I know you. First of all, I want you to, if you're learning anything from this, just give us a thumbs up and share something in the comment. What are you learning? What did you learn that you haven't learned before? Does this mean anything to you? Yeah, share a comment there. But I want to ask Mr. Gordon as well. For people who want to come here, some of you I know want to come here to check out the community. Very interesting community. A couple of questions. How far is Catadupa from Montego Bay in terms of drive? Just put it into perspective.
Maybe about an hour and a half. Good, easy drive, hour and a half. It's about 22 miles.
Yeah, southish of Moby.
South. You go south. Because we are actually south, so if you actually going towards the south coast.
The south coast side.
Right.
Yeah, so you come up Long Hill.
Come up Long Hill, Reading,
Long Hill, come up the hill, come over Anchovy,
Cambridge,
and
6 miles from Cambridge.
6 miles from Cambridge.
You reach Catadupa.
It's actually 22 miles from Moby.
22 miles from Moby. 22 miles from Moby. And we're talking about some of the things that they can look forward to seeing here. Of course, obviously the train station, whether it's in the old stage or the new stage, which it will be.
Yeah, definitely.
Mr. Doc, which is recycling, almost a recycle plant, but it's recycling enterprise that he's doing.
Right.
There's definitely something to see, guys, when you get here.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. And the historic, the church.
Yes, the church, the Anglican church, very historical site there.
Yeah.
Right.
Anything else? The dam, I think.
Yes.
I don't want to put in words anymore.
Well, the dam is a natural. In fact, so many persons are coming from abroad just to have a bath at the dam. It's just refreshing. It just keep running.
Sometimes we have drought in Jamaica. What do you mean?
Never dry, and never get muddy.
Never
No,
money.
yeah.
Never.
At least
Yeah,
about
you know,
a
so-
million gallon of water them took from it each day, you know.
Eh?
Yeah.
So what they do with the water? Them who?
Seaford Town. The people over there,
I joined the
Seaford Town,
community.
Westmoreland people don't have much water.
So they come here for water.
Because they raise pigs and cows.
Animals, livestock,
Yeah.
what do you call it? Farm and stuff as well.
Because
Wonderful,
it's
wonderful place,
domestic
man.
purpose,
Guys,
domestic
this is
purpose.
Catadupa. This is Catadupa. All right. If anybody is interested in contacting any one of you guys for a tour or anything, right? I mean, who will the organization reach out to you individually?
CDC 359-6240.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Under it.
Yeah, and of course there are links in the description as well, guys, if you want to.
Right.
Links to the organization, the community organization, these gentlemen, contact information as well in there. Or if you want to reach out to me and then I hook you up with them, it's still links in the description. Mr. I want to thank you. Well, first before I thank you guys, Mr. Yuan wants something to share. So hold it for me. Hold it up for me. So this Mr. Yuan is sharing is a train ticket. Meaning that you pay your money.
Pay to ride, not ride to pay.
You pay your money so you can ride on the train. What is this saying now? It says, I see $10 on it.
Yes.
10 Jamaican dollars.
Fear.
10 Jamaican dollars for the
Yes,
fare. From
yeah.
where to where?
This was
From Mobile to?
economic fear.
Okay.
Yeah. Montego Bay too.
Catadupa?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
$10.
$10.
Yeah.
And there's a date on it? You have a date on it?
Everything like 38 minutes.
That was 1985. This is interesting. So $10 was the fare from Montego Bay to here. And that's a train ticket.
Yeah.
Give you the right to get a ride.
Yeah.
Lovely, lovely. I see you with a book. What is this?
I was
This is
showing
the car that we were telling you
but see,
about.
You don't know about. They don't know.
Yeah.
The wagons.
Okay.
So these cars carry the
Freight.
the
Banana.
freight.
Yes,
Banana,
yes. So this
anything else.
is
This is not Catadupa.
okay. But
I'm
it's,
just showing you the coach how it
yes.
This is a history of Clarendon.
Okay. Wonderful.
We keep all old book, you know dumb things.
Good. All right, you guys are a walking book of Catadupa. I want to thank you. Thanks Mr.
Yeah, man.
Yuan for his knowledge, and willingness. I want to thank Mr. Catadup. He's the recycle man, and Mr. Gordon, who initiated the tour, the meetup here. I feel like, for some reason I feel like, sometimes you see something and you feel like you do it already. Like, I feel like that's something, what do you call it?
Yeah.
Deja vu.
Deja vu. Right.
Yeah.
Deja vu.
No, seriously.
Yeah, right.
No, as I said that
That's
a
what
while
I
ago.
mean.
I feel like, I don't know if it's coming a dream already or something. Seriously. Just that same, like the car in the background here with the sound. And that feeling here, like I meet you guys already, man. You see, me was destined.
Yeah, this is unique. This is
Thank
very
you
special.
so much.
And thank you for coming as well.
Yeah, man.
And showing interest in our community.
Yes, the world has known about Catadupa. So stay tuned for the good stuff. It will come, all the best. That's it. The Catadupa community tour. What do you make of it? So much about this beautiful community. I'd love to hear from you. Come on, share a comment down below. What was the highlight for you? What stood out? I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment down below. And remember, I do a lot of videos capturing stuff like these. I call it the real Jamaica. And I don't want you to miss any of that. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. That way, you stay updated on all my latest videos. This is the real Jamaica.